Welcome back to the beginner's guide to the iPhone, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining dark mode and showing you how you can configure dark and light mode on your iPhone. Alright, so when you first set up your iPhone, you actually did choose between dark and light mode, but if you forgot or you want to change it now, it's pretty simple. For starters, on my iPhone right here, it's in light mode, meaning if I open my settings, I have a light background. My background on my home screen is lighter. All my applications are going to be in a lighter format when I open them. But if you do want to switch between dark and light mode, you just open your settings application. You can tap on display and brightness, and right away at the top you'll see light and dark. Now if I switch to dark, you'll see my settings application instantly goes dark in the background, and now all of the descriptions and words are lighter. If I return to my home screen, you'll also notice that my calendar is now dark, the background has now gone to its dark mode effect, and everything on the iPhone that uses dark and light mode configurations will also change to create that same effect you choose. Now additionally, in our display and brightness settings under the dark and light modes, we have an automatic option. Now if we turn this on, it's going to give you the options below it to stay light until a certain time. So for example, custom schedule, so light at 7 a.m. it'll turn, and at 10 p.m. it'll turn to dark mode. You can also have it set to sunset and sunrise, and that way it automatically changes between the two modes based on the setting or the time you schedule. For me, I turn automatic off, and for now, I've just been using light mode. Additionally, on the go, you have access to your control center, which also has dark and light mode configurations. So to pull up your control center on an iPhone with a home button, you pull up from the bottom right. To open it from an iPhone without a home button, pull down from the top right. It'll bring you to this section here, and to access your dark mode toggle, you're going to tap and hold on the sun icon or your brightness icon. It'll bring up the dark mode option at the bottom left, and you can just tap on that little toggle. It'll turn from dark mode on to dark mode off extremely quickly. So now we have dark mode on again, and if we open our settings, we return to dark mode. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments as well. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell notification box so you're notified on your phone when I post a new video, and you can get more from your iPhone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.